It is the end of week 2 and I've now cycled more than 500 miles and climbed more than 20,000 feet. I've been cycling for about 10 hours a day and meeting dozens of fascinating people along the way. People like Ben Yao. Now, aged 20, he decided to use his first summer after college to cycle all the way from Washington, D.C. to Seattle.
We really all just want the same things. We just want our kids to have a good time and to live in a better world. And we disagree about how to get there, but at the core, we're just watching different news and getting different ideas, but we're kind of all really the same. I haven't really seen people going after each other. People are gay. I think if everyone just cooked dinner with people they didn't get along with, the world would be a much better place.
After crossing the Cascades, Washington State flattens out tremendously. And I've been spending the best part of the last week on these expansive straight roads which just cut through mile upon mile of agricultural land. The sense of nothingness out here is quite captivating, quite bleak, but I also find quite beguiling. I have been on this road for the last 2 hours and there hasn't been a single turnoff or a single corner. And I've now reached a slight bend in the road and it's made me strangely excited. It feels like something to celebrate. These are exactly the sorts of landscapes that I was desperate to find on this journey across the United States. This past weekend, I've been staying with a guy called Damon Plager-Roth and his family in the small town of Ritzville. And last night, I went to my first ever rodeo. Before I left this morning, Damon gave me his opinions on what he thinks I'm going to find as I cycle further and further east.
You know, I think as you're journeying across the country, what you're going to find is a lot of people that are happy to meet you, happy to have you experience what they're experiencing day to day, and you know, happy to kind of share their lives with you. I do think you're going to see some division, or at least differing opinions between folks. At the end of the day, though, I'm really hoping that everybody kind of welcomes you with open arms and is excited to have you there as we've been excited to have you here.